firearms are not toys. Always handle them with great care. And just don't try any of this stuff at home. It's the best way to stay safe. We take precautions. Here's Duel Wielding AR-15'S. And for today's extra content, pretty much showing you guys this, not only because it's hilarious, but it demonstrates precisely why you need to wear your safety equipment at all times, your eyes and your ears. Even though he didn't get anything in his eyes, he wasn't wearing his safety glasses over his face. He was wearing them on his hat. And as you saw, there was a bit of debris kicked back on that one.
A little too close.
If you guys enjoyed this content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.